My name is Timbit, and I like to growl at everybody. Bark at everybody that leaves the house. And pretty much bite you in the ass when you come in. I'm so sure. Alright, let's get some growling in here. Oh, there it is. Oh, Timbit. Tia's so pissed that she's missing out.
Put him down. Put him down.
Now he's patrolling. I'm king of this. I just want to videotape him looking at me one time.
Like, go out the door.
Okay. That's good. That's a good one. YouTube's got to see the world's finest dog right here.
Should I replay it or keep going?
No, keep going. Bye, Timbit. Have a good day. Bye. Did you miss me?
Again, do it one more time.
One more time.
Yeah.
Okay, Timbit. See you later. Hello. How was your day, Timbit?
And then the best dog. And then evil.